Welcome to the iconic Imperial Hotel Tokyo, a symbol of luxury and elegance in the heart of Japan's bustling capital. Today, we're giving you an exclusive room tour of one of the hotel's stunning accommodations. Let's step inside and experience the luxury together. As we enter the room, the first thing you'll notice is the spacious, bright, and welcoming ambience. The room is designed with a perfect blend of traditional Japanese aesthetics and modern luxury. Let's take a closer look. The room also features a spacious wardrobe with plenty of room to hang your clothes and store your belongings. There's even a safe for your valuables and an iron and ironing board to keep your clothes looking crisp throughout your stay. You can immediately feel the elegance and comfort that defines the Imperial Hotel. The spacious layout and modern design combine perfectly with traditional Japanese elements. The decor is sleek and stylish, with plush seating, a beautiful coffee table, and large windows offering stunning views of the city. Here's an overview of the room, spacious and thoughtfully designed, with rich wood finishes, plush carpeting, and carefully selected artwork. The calming color palette instantly gives you a sense of serenity and relaxation. Now let's head to the bathroom. The bathroom is a true highlight. It is large, with elegant marble finishes, a deep soaking bathtub, and a separate glass-enclosed shower. It's a perfect space for unwinding, and the luxurious toiletries provided by the hotel add an extra touch of indulgence. The vanity area is beautifully designed, with plenty of counter space for your toiletries and a large mirror. You'll also find plush towels, robes, and slippers for your comfort. Now, let's take a closer look at the bed area. This bed is a dream come true, exceptionally comfortable with high thread count linens and soft pillows that guarantee a restful night's sleep. Whether you're in Tokyo for business or leisure, you'll wake up feeling rejuvenated. During your stay, you'll have access to a range of in-room services, including 24-hour room service, concierge assistance, and daily housekeeping. Whether you need a quick meal or help arranging tours around Tokyo, the Imperial Hotel team is always here to assist. Moving on to the living area, we have a comfortable sofa, a chic coffee table, and plenty of seating. The natural light pours in through the large windows, brightening up the entire space. There's a large flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, perfect for unwinding after a day of sightseeing or meetings. You'll also find an espresso machine, so you can enjoy a freshly brewed coffee at any time. We have the wine glass area. The room is thoughtfully equipped with a pair of crystal-clear wine glasses, perfect for enjoying a relaxing drink after a day of sightseeing or business. Whether you're unwinding with a bottle of wine or celebrating a special occasion, this touch adds a luxurious feel to your stay. For those who need to work, the room features a sleek desk with a comfortable chair, power outlets, and high-speed internet. It's the perfect balance of business and leisure in one space. One of the best parts of staying here is the view. From your room's large windows, you can enjoy breathtaking vistas of Tokyo's Imperial Palace, with views of the famous Hibiya Park and the city's vibrant streets below. To summarize, the Imperial Hotel Tokyo offers a perfect blend of traditional elegance and modern luxury. From the comfortable and stylish room to the impeccable service, every detail has been carefully thought out to provide an exceptional stay. Thank you for joining me on this room tour of the Imperial Hotel Tokyo. I hope you've enjoyed getting a glimpse of the luxury and comfort this iconic hotel has to offer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe Oyster 808 for more travel tours and hotel reviews. See you in the next video.